Hi, everyone. Thank you for all coming today and spending some time to learn about AR, VR. Taking time out of your day is a valuable, precious resource these days. So thank you all for joining us. I'm the CEO of OpenDrives, and I'm going to tell a little story about scalable infrastructure for next-gen storytelling. So there's a shift happening right now, and we all feel it, whether or not we talk about it or not. That storytelling is no longer just about cameras and cuts, although amazing piece of camera work here from Blackmagic, thank you. It's about presence and it's about immersion, right? Immersive storytelling, and the technology is really enabling that more and more. But here's the thing, the deeper our stories go and the heavier our workflows become, it's a lot of pressure and a lot of weight. And it becomes very, very difficult, and some of us are being crushed by it, about this data gravity problem. And so what we need is new standards for content. Because immersive storytelling isn't about some future dream. It's happening today. And we see it exploding across the entertainment industry, in gaming, in sports, in live events, in immersive storytelling. The expectations for realism, fidelity, and interactivity are really rising very fast. But while our ambitions soar, the systems behind the scenes, they just can't keep pace. And the gap isn't just inconvenient. It's holding us back from fulfilling our creative vision. And so the creators are ready. The audiences are certainly ready. But the infrastructure just isn't there. The question isn't, can we build it? The question is, can the workflows keep up with our vision? So you can't scale AR, VR workflows alone. It takes a community of technology providers and people. And to give you a little peek behind the curtain, and a lot of you might know this already, we're talking 90 FPS, we're talking 8K video, 12K in some cases, multicam. And these bit rates are so high, they choke legacy systems. And the files are so large that they break traditional collaboration models. And add to that, globally distributed teams trying to operate in real time, and then suddenly, creativity isn't just a bottleneck. Creativity isn't the bottleneck, the infrastructure is. And so this isn't a tech upgrade problem, it's really a partnership problem because we all need to collaborate, all of our technology providers, Blackmagic, OpenDrives, and others, because you can't scale immersive storytelling alone. So what we've been doing at OpenDrives is we built infrastructure for scale. And so what we've been doing at OpenDrives is we spent the last decade asking a very specific question. What would the infrastructure look like if it was purpose-built for creators? Not for IT, not for compliance, and not for general purpose use cases, but for you, the content creators, the editors, the artists, showrunners, who need to move fast and move fast together collaboratively. And that answer is a modular, real-time platform that adapts as you scale. Creative momentum shouldn't be fragile. Your system shouldn't break when you lean on them and you push harder. So we've built infrastructure that doesn't get in your way so you can fulfill your creative vision. So what we've done is we've designed for performance and collaboration, because performance in this space is table stakes. And what we care about is we care about flow, because without flow, you can't do the work that you need to do. So OpenDrives is engineered to play back ultra-high resolution content with no lag, support multiple users working simultaneously and collaboratively, allowing you to plug in your best-in-class tool sets from your vendors of choice so that you can scale your entire pipeline without reconfiguring and rebuilding it each time. This is the infrastructure that moves with you and your team, not against it. So what we want to do is make the impossible routine. When systems just work, the extraordinary becomes routine. Days become hours, waiting becomes streaming, and collaboration, it becomes creative freedom and not chaos. So you can focus on the work and not the workflow. Let's bring this into reality. No pun intended. We've been working with Lightsail, amazing customer of ours, and I want to talk a little bit about their Faceless Lady project, which is an immersive VFX-heavy project, 8K, 60 FPS, over 300 shots, and a very aggressive 6-week timeline. Artists across the world in multiple time zones have no time for crashing, no margin for errors to achieve this aggressive timeline. And with OpenDrives, they were able to render 24/7 for 6 weeks, streamed VR previews to these remote artists without local hardware, and were able to transfer terabytes of data daily without bottlenecks, and finished the entire project on one centralized platform on time. This isn't just a case study, it's a pressure test. We were able to pass together with flying colors. So as you can see, we're at a very pivotal moment in technology, especially in the VR space, but I would say in the entertainment industry at large. We're at an inflection point, and the complexity of AR and VR production is only increasing. The tools are evolving, as Blackmagic showed us. The audience expectations are rising. And only those who future-proof their workflows today will be able to lead us into the next chapter. And we can't do it alone, like I said before. So we have amazing partners that we work with when we're co-developing these products with industry leaders, both in the media and tech industry. And as you can see from this slide of our top partners, it drives our engineering architectures and engineering requirements to allow for ease of integration across your best-in-class tools, ensuring that you don't have vendor lock-in, that you get to choose the tools of your choice, what you need, how you want it, nothing more, nothing less. But we're not done. So with our existing platform and with our partnerships with our technology partners and our customers' feedback, we're working on our next-gen platform, which we're already testing and will be delivering later this year. And what you're going to see in that platform is more multi-environment orchestration, AI-guided workflow and automation, and more seamless control across hybrid environments. Because we're not interested in helping you keep up. We're building tools to help you break new ground. So with that, here's my invitation to y'all. You see some people here, raise your hands from OpenDrives in the black shirts and blue O's. Come talk to us. Talk to us about what we did with Lightsail and Matt. Talk to us about what we do with Resolve and making DaVinci Resolve faster. Tell us where you're stuck and where you want to go. So let's build the foundation for that future together. Because your story, the one you haven't told yet, deserves better tools. Thank you.